If you are an investor who is confused about the percentage of allotment for each category of mutual funds, this video is for you. Industry expert Mr. Gururaj will clear your doubts now.
Yeah. So this depends on what is the expected return for your portfolio based on your goals, right? Say for example, if I need a 10% return, I can be overweight on large cap, right? But if you're looking at a 14% or something, maybe I have to allocate more to a mid cap or a small cap. That will depend based on the time horizon of your goal. So this can be decided when you sit with your advisor, clearly tell what is your goal, what is the time horizon, what is your risk ability. Based on this only we can decide. There is nothing like a thumb rule ki 50% in large cap, 25% in small cap. We can't say that. It is based on individual basis. We need to do it. Yeah.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.